Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's a Tuesday morning, so if you know, you know. I only have a couple hours to fish before my wife calls me to pick her up. Today, doing something a little different. I'm actually, you guys see, I'm actually in my waders. We're gonna go ahead and target some flounder. Well, we're gonna try to target some flounder. Today's bait is going to be gulp shrimp, and yeah, hopefully we land something. Okay, since I'm going to go ahead and target flounder, what you want to look for is a nice sandy bottom. Whoa, ooh, almost slipped there. Okay, this is what I'm going to be using. This is the gulp shrimp. This is the 3-inch, and this is the new penny color. All right, I got it set up. Let's go ahead and get started. Man, it feels good to be out here again. Let's see, first cast with the gulp shrimp. The trick to this is you want that jig head to stay on the bottom the whole time. Flounders, they lay in the sand and they just wait for any kind of bait fish to swim by to get ambushed. So you just want to work it nice and slow, give it a couple little bounds. Okay, I'm walking back towards the bridge. All right, guys, we made it back towards the bridge. We're actually underneath the bridge. I'm trying to see, walking a little closer, see if I see any sheepshead on these pilings right here. So far, I don't see anything. They all rocks. Don't see anything. They're probably on the next one, a little deeper. Let's try right here. This is not looking good, guys. Not looking good. I'm gonna try for another 15 minutes. If I don't land anything, I'm gonna go ahead and dig up some mud crabs since it's a low tide, and probably go ahead and start doing some sheepshead fishing. I want to catch something today before my wife calls me and go pick her up. That one is picking up some more. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and dig up some mud crabs. I don't know if maybe because the tide is super low and nothing's biting. Not really sure, guys, but nothing with the shrimp. Nothing with the gulp shrimp today. Let's go ahead and go back to the car and get my little lunch bucket and get some crabs. I have my lunch bucket and my little rake. Let's see if we can catch a few mud crabs and do some sheepshead fishing. All right, let's see. Yep. That's a nice one. That's what we're looking for, guys. Right there. All right, we had to move. I was at that other spot for about 20-25 minutes, not one bite. I have now about an hour to go. I got to catch something, guys. I'm trying. The trick is, if you're at a spot for about 10 minutes and you're not getting a bite, it's time to move on. Especially in my case, that I don't have a lot of time to fish. So I got the crab on, first cast on this side of the bridge. My first sheepshead of the morning. Small little guy, tiny guy. Oh my goodness. Well, at least I didn't get skunked. My wife texted me, she said I have about another 45 minutes. So there you go, send them back. All right, guys, finally got a bite. I moved location because my wife said she'll be ready in 30 minutes. So let me go ahead and give this spot one more time, one more try. And look, I got myself a keeper. I'm taking him home because we're gonna do a catch and cook. But he's a good size. Oh my gosh, look at that size. That is a beast. Check it out, guys. That's a beast right there. He's about 14 and a half, 15. Finally, right before I'm getting ready to leave, I got him. Let's go ahead and throw one more crab out there real quick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and try this one more time, because I really got to get out of here. Man, I'm so happy. I was just about to leave, and I got that nice keeper. I measured him. He's 15 and a quarter. Come on, let's get another one. Got him. Oh, yeah. Another keeper. Another keeper. I got two before picking up my wife. Yes, sir. This guy swallowed my hook. Oh, man. All right, guys, I just measured him. He's 12 and a half. Well, almost 12 and 3/4. So since it's been a struggle all morning, I'm gonna go ahead and keep him because we're gonna do a catch and cook. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but we're gonna go ahead and finish this video off with a nice catch and cook. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back home. It's actually the following day. We're gonna go ahead and make this sheepshead ceviche. This is the sheephead I caught yesterday. It's a 15-inch. I have my stuff ready for the ceviche. I have some chips. I have some peppers. It's a green, red, yellow, a sweet onion, some jalapeno peppers, a tomato, avocado, an orange, some diced mango, some of this orange peach mango juice, some lemon, some lime, and some cilantro. It's gonna be a good one, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this started. We're gonna go ahead and fillet this sheep's head. I always use a serrated knife first. Right above the head. all the way through. Just like that. Now what we're gonna do is just flip this over a little bit and go ahead and start filleting the fish. Run that knife along the backbone. You'll hear it. Just gotta take your time with it. And just like that. Got the first fillet. Not bad. I left a little bit of meat right here. Just that much. But yeah, this is the rib cage right here. This is what gives everybody a hard time filleting the fish. So, let's go ahead and fillet it real quick. Let's go ahead and skin it real quick. I think I'm just going to show you the all right, let's skin it. There you go. Skinless fillet. Let's see if we get some of these pin bones out of here. Definitely don't want any bones in your ceviche, so let's see. Come on. There you go. And there you go, guys. No bones. Nice clean fillet. Let's go ahead and start the other side. I tell you what, this does take some time and some practice. All right, guys, I got my fillets ready. They're nice and clean, boneless, skinless, and ready to eat. Makes it easy if I cut it in half. Cut it nice and clean, that is. Okay. Long strips. Okay, cut them in strips. Now let's cut them in little bite size. Okay, that's all the sheep's head. That's just the one. I still have the other. He's almost 13. He's like 12 and 3/4. But we're only gonna use just the one. So that's ready. Let's go ahead and cut up some of the lime and some of the lemon. Okay, let's go ahead and start cutting up some limes. 1, 2, that's 3, 4. Let's try 5. Let's see if that's enough. 5 limes, 2 lemons. All right, let's go ahead and squeeze some lime. Man, these are some big limes. Ooh. Okay, I ended up using 4 limes, not 5. Let's squeeze some lemon. I have my hand like this because I don't want any of the seeds to fall in. You don't want that. There go some seeds. That's 1. 2. 3. 4 seeds. All right, 2 big lemons. So far, 4 big limes, 2 big lemons. And you see the liquid is covering the fish. That's what you want. But I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this juice. It has some, it's orange, peach, and mango. I'm not gonna put too much, just a little. That's it. All right, that's covered. Okay, there you go. Tell you what, I'm gonna be honest, man, that smells so good already. Let's go ahead and cover this up, put it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so while we're waiting for the fish to actually cook, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting up these vegetables. An easier way, if you guys don't want to cut all this up, you just go to your local store, which is mine's is Publix, and they already have a lot of these peppers and the onions, cilantro, all pre-cut in small little packages like the mango. So that's another easy way. Me, I'm the cook of the house. I love cooking, so I feel better when it's just hands-on, you know. Doesn't bother me, I enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's start with the red pepper. Have any one of you guys tried Sheepshead ceviche? If you have, leave a comment. Let me know how it came out, or If you want to share any other ingredients with me, you want to cut these same size as you did with the fish. You don't want them too big nor too small, so everything has to be just about the same size. It doesn't have to be, but when you bite into it, I'll tell you what, it's gonna be so good. All right, guys, I'm done with the red pepper. Let's go ahead and toss them in the bowl. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the green pepper. And yes, everything was rinsed, so everything is nice and clean, just in case y'all were wondering. Okay. Okay, I got done with the green pepper. Toss it in the bowl. Okay, let's go ahead and do the orange. I know this is going to be so freaking good. Get those seeds out of there. Okay, we're done with the orange pepper. Throw that in the bowl. Next, some jalapeno peppers. Okay, with a spoon, let's go ahead and just dig that out. All those seeds. I'm not much of a heat person. My wife is. She loves hot sauce. And my son also. I mean, I like it, but not to the point that, you know, you're on fire. Okay, same thing like the other peppers. Alright guys, I got the jalapeno peppers ready. I got them sliced and I got them diced. That right there. What's next? Let's go ahead and do the cucumber. What I did was I just cut the ends off. Let's go ahead, right down the middle. Again, down the middle. And then again down the middle. Small little pieces. Oh, that's good. The cucumbers, I don't mind cutting them just a little bit bigger, but still, they're about the same size as the fish, like about ½ inch mark. Go ahead and throw this in the bowl. I'm not done yet. Okay, I have this half a purple onion. Let's go ahead and oh, I didn't mean to cut that all the way. That's all right. Turn around. Start cutting. Nice little small pieces. Man, this is a lot. I tell you what, I'm thinking about going fishing tomorrow, so I'm definitely gonna bring me a bowl of this to snack on. That'll be my lunch. All right, guys, I changed my mind with the sweet onion. I think I had enough of the purple onion. Let's go ahead and cut the tomatoes. I only have the one tomato. All right, there goes the tomato. Throw that in the bowl. Okay, look how pretty that's looking. Okay, guys, we got two more ingredients. We got the cilantro and the avocado. But the avocado, I'm gonna leave it for last. Let's go ahead and chop this up. And I think that's it, guys. Should be good. I'm not gonna put all of this, but a lot of it. About 2 hands full. All right, I'm saving the rest of the cilantro. We'll have that another day, probably with some tacos. That's it. All we got to do now is clean up, and we still have about 45 minutes left. What we're gonna add is just some salt and some pepper. And that is it. We'll go ahead and stir this up. And last thing to put in is the avocado, the mango, and the fish. I'll be right back. All right, let's go ahead and get these shrimp started. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I don't even know if I'm doing this right, but this is the way I do it. Okay guys, I cleaned up the shrimp. They're ready to be diced up, so small little pieces. All right guys, I went ahead and cut up the shrimp in little tiny little bite size. I can't believe I forgot about the shrimp. I cannot believe that. This is gonna be good. Shrimp is ready. Look at that shrimp. Yeah. Yeah. Hook it up. Sound like Craig from Friday, when his mama is cooking breakfast, making them pork chops. Yeah, hook it up. Nice. The fish is ready. Let's turn that off. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Not going to waste. Okay, everyone. While I'm waiting for the ceviche, I'm gonna have some lunch. Fried sheepshead, which was caught yesterday, and some shrimp. Was it shrimp? Oh man, that's good. That's real good. Try the sheepshead. That's really good. You can never go wrong with fresh fried fish. That's delicious. Let me see. I have about 20 minutes left for the ceviche. It's been in there for 2 hours. All right, guys, check it out. It's been in the fridge for 2 hours. The way you know this is ready is when that meat is nice and white. And it is. I think that's ready. Hey, for 2 hours, yeah, that's ready. Mix that up real good. Now remember, I still have the mango. I'm gonna steal one of these shrimps. So good. The mango and what was the other thing? The avocado. All right, guys, we have the fresh diced mangoes. Open that up. Let's go ahead and dump that in the bowl. You know what? Let's put all of it. It's all going in there. Let's grab the avocado. Let's cut them up. All right, guys. Got the avocado ready. The avocado is just a little bit hard, but not that bad. Not too bad. them a little bit thinner. That's good. Let's go ahead and okay. I'm not gonna put any more avocado because my daughter's not a huge fan of avocado. So I'll leave this other half for later on tonight with something else. Okay, let's go ahead and dump the fish in the juice and the shrimp. Oh yeah. Whoa. I'm gonna stir everything up. Let's go ahead and mix everything up now. Wow, this is a lot. Now I did add some salt and pepper. So once I try, if I think it needs some more, I'll go ahead and add some more. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open up the bag of chips. I want to try one real quick. So if I know I have to add any more salt and pepper. Check that out. Yum, yum. First bite. Oh my goodness. Let me add just a little bit more salt. All right, guys, let me show you. Because the inside was kind of dark. I don't have great lighting inside. But look at this. That wasn't supposed to happen. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Now I can't believe I spilled that. Let's give it a try. Okay, I'll put some in a small little bowl. Got my chip. There you go. Let's give it a shot. Oh my God. A jalapeno. This thing tastes so, it tastes so fresh. The cilantro, everything. The cilantro, the mango, the onions, the peppers. The avocado. Wow. The shrimp, the sheep's head, everything. This. Wow, guys, I'm telling you. This is the first time that I make this. It won't be the last. One more bite. Perfect. Nothing wrong with it. I would definitely do this again. we're gonna call it quits right here. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please shoot me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, share the video, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Talons, everyone. Bye.